In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set your Opera browser to automatically open whenever you start your computer. Now, this method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. To do so, go ahead and click on Start menu here. Then type in Run, and you can see Run is here. And under this, go ahead and type in shell startup just as one word, and then click on OK. Now, this will open up a startup folder, and all the programs that will be added to this folder will automatically start up or open on each and every startup or restart of your computer. So what we need to do is to add here Opera browser. However, I don't have Opera browser shortcut on my computer. So if you have it, just right click on it and then copy and paste it here. However, if you don't have it, go ahead and click on Start menu and search for your browser. As you can see, my Opera browser is here. So I'll go ahead and right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Now this will take me direct to where Opera browser is located. Right click on it and then select Copy. And now come here and right click and then paste. And now Opera browser has been added automatically to start up programs. Now each time I start my computer or restart my computer, Opera browser will automatically open. So that's how you set your Opera browser to automatically open whenever you start your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.